I got an amputation because I have diabetes and I stubbed my little toe. And in a matter of a week, the infection just took right off and they had to amputate because the infection was just too far through me.
A piece of equipment the foundation just purchased for us is a 3D printer used specifically for making artificial limbs. We wanted it because it's the first thing out there that we've seen that you could print an artificial limb with, and it's already been certified and tested structurally. So we didn't want to experiment. We wanted something that was a turnkey project. With the printed sockets, they can be temporary or they can be permanent. And the speed of production is incredibly fast. We can turn around a blown-knee leg in an hour to an hour and a half.
They put these little things all over your leg, and then she scans right around the leg, and that takes the size. And then within 3 or 4 days, I had the prosthetic.
We actually use a CAD/CAM system, and that's where we kind of scan. So he talked about putting the dots on the leg, and then we shine a light on the leg, and that captures a digital image. So it's a little bit quicker, a little bit cleaner, a little bit faster. The nice thing about these sockets are that they kind of have ridges. I don't know if you can see, there's ridges on these sockets. So that helps kind of with suspension. So suspension is the way that the leg stays on. So it's good to have the CAD/CAM system.
I feel really privileged to be able to explore this technology and see what works and what doesn't. And we are sort of pushing the field forward.
Together, we do amazing things every day.